Yeah, they thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl. Girl, you push me like a big boy.
Hey guys, so today we're gonna be doing an unboxing. Like, you guys don't understand how long I've been trying to get this bag. So, okay, in the previous video, I got my Pochette Matisse. I was like, love this bag, so excited. But then there was also, there's also two other bags I want to get, and then I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop, no more bags. But, so this is what happened. So here is the bag, first of all. I don't know if you guys can take a guess, a gander about what it could be, which one it is. But anyway, it's like a bag that I've been going online every single day, trying to refresh. Out of stock. Check availability. Call for a bag. If you guys are Louis Vuitton people, you guys understand what I'm talking about. Like, it's always giving me the, it's not here, not here, not here, not here. So I went with my mom to South Coast Plaza, the Louis Vuitton there. They have like two sections right now. They have a pop-up and then they have one on top. But anyway, going there, getting her a wallet. We're going through purchasing the wallet. I have my Pochette Matisse. I'm like, you know, putting the wallet in my bag, make sure it fits, da-da-da-da. And then I asked the lady, I said, do you guys have blah, blah, blah? And she's like, oh no, I'm so sorry. And then right as I'm about to pay for the wallet was expensive. She just pops up with it and just like, here, oh my God, we had one in the back. Like, it was just there in the back. Just like, just take it, hurry up. Like, she was like hiding it. Cause like, she's like, a lot of people were asking for it today, but it's yours. And I'm like, so without further ado, let's get into it. Let me show you what it is. And I didn't really get a chance to like really inspect it in the store. So this is sort of like my first impression. So they gave me the receipt in here. It has the wallet and my bag on there, so this is both. And then she did put some ribbon on it, like a fast ribbon. So the ribbon is off now. Let's open it. Let's see what it is. So she put it in a little magnetic box. I've seen other people's unboxings and the box is a little bit bigger, but oh my God. And I'm gonna get the other one. When you guys see this, you know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna get the other one as well. So I'm very excited. It's light. She put in this big dust bag. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Look at her. Look at it. Oh my God. It's so cute and small. So this is the Pochette Accessoire. I like it because I'm like really minimalist. I don't carry a lot of stuff. So if I have my key pouch, if I keep the key holder, pop it in there. And then it has a strap in here. I'll put some lip gloss in here. What else? Maybe deodorant and I'll be good to go. Like, I don't need nothing else. So here are just the like little card things. And let me, like, I think Louis Vuitton has a good marketing strategy where they're like, everything is out of stock. And it makes you want it even more, even if it's like not even like amazing or anything. But I do really like this bag. I like the functionality of it. I'm definitely gonna use it. It'll definitely be something I could just like not think about too much, because it'll be like grab and go. Like Pochette Matisse, like I have to like think about it. Like, oh, like am I gonna carry it? I'm gonna do this. This is just like, I'm just going, just grab it, put it on, get out the door. Like, I'm not gonna think too much about it. Let me see. Here's my phone. Of course, it fits my phone really easily. My cards and everything's gonna go in there easily. Came with the strap that people talk about. It's a little tiny baby strap. It's a little baby strap. What I wanted to show you was my sister. She's actually here on YouTube. Her name is Dr. Odichi. She got me some, you guys go follow her. She gives really good advice. She's a mom of 2 children and she's also a doctor. So y'all go listen and watch with her. She got me some things from the Daily Edited for Christmas. So I think it came with a little strappy strap. So I'm going to try to see how it looks on here. Because this strap, I might use it, but I need to get the little the apple guard stuff first before we get crazy. So let me try to open this strap. You know, I prepared myself. But it's like I didn't prepare. So this is just a simple gold chain strap. I feel like it might be a similar length. And when she got this for me, like I didn't even know that I was gonna get this bag. Like it was still on my wish list. Oh, and it's so adorable. I wanna put it on with this. That way I won't have to worry about anything. Like this is the only part that's leather. It's gonna patina, but I'm gonna put apple guard on it. So yeah. It has a little clasps that I can clasp it. Okay, let me hurry up so I can show you guys how it looks. Right after this, I'm going over to my parents' house and I'm gonna take some pictures. So you might see this on IG. If you follow me, go follow me there. I think this chain is so cute. Thank you, Dichi, Dr. Odichi. I think it's gonna go really good with my bag. And I also saw this one guy, I forgot his name, but he had a like a luggage tag. His was the original like Louis Vuitton luggage tag that they don't sell anymore. He had a luggage tag on his bag, so I might try to put this. It's a cute pink luggage tag that she got for me. She got it also. He had it like strapped. I don't know where he put it. I think it might have been on the ring on this side. He like attached it to the ring. So let me just try that. I'm just gonna try the strap. And this is how it looks. Is it cute with the strap? It's cute with this strap. Okay, so this is how it looks with the gold strap that my sister got for me. This is how it looks on my arm. Can you guys see? The strap is a little flashy for me. So this one is a little noisy. That's a little bit much for me, but definitely for like a different kind of occasion, I would wear the gold strap. Let's see how it looks with the kettle leather. Let me like really look at this. I feel like I didn't really look at it. The leather or the canvas is very soft, very malleable and movable. It's just like, this is just like a throwback, like a throwback. Like you can do anything. Like the Pochette tee is more precious and beautiful, and just like this one is just, it's still beautiful, but it's just like you can squish it up, you can squash it up. This is made in France. Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. If y'all were wondering, leave me attached tiny strap. I've seen videos. I don't know how they do this, but was I really watching? Was I paying attention? I don't think I was paying attention. How do they do this? I think it's like this. You like squash it in there. It looks bigger on screen than it does in real life. Like in real life, this strap is so little and tiny. It's like a little tiny baby strap. Attach it on this side. Okay, so this is how it looks. Let me just leave it. I think I did it right. This is how it looks. I think I prefer like this. Yeah, I prefer like this. Let's put it on. It's giving me 90s. It's giving me like, girl, back in that day with my hairstyle. It's giving me all it needs to give, girl. Is it giving you what it's giving me? Let me make sure y'all can really see. And then I've seen a lot of people just wear it kind of like they just hold it. In comparison to me, yeah, the bag is super cute. Oh my god. This is so cute. The bag is so cute, guys. This is the bag. This is the Pochette Accessoire that I have been wanting for months and months and months. And I just happened to get it at the store. And I'm going to get the other one. So you guys, it's okay. I'm done. It's not an addiction. I swear it's not an addiction. But I'm gonna get the other one. I need to get the other one. I love the other one. Okay, so that's how it looks. Okay, guys, that's my unboxing of my Pochette Accessoire. I'm so happy that I have this, and I cannot believe it. I'm so happy that I have this. I can't believe it. So yeah, that's that, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Comment down below, like, if you have this bag, like, advice, like what should I do, how should I wear it. Yeah, guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you so much. Bye.
I'ma run up on you.